because of the clarity which he has shown in defining vision and mission of creating IMCM, transferring his passion to the team, and guiding us throughout and leading from the front. Thank you, Sunil. I would like to thank Professor Arora for his great contribution in developing and defining the curriculum and content of our IMC program and motivating us at the initial stages. It was very important because while taking such a big step, in case you have your well-wishers who guide you, it is easier for you to take such a big step. So I would really like to thank Professor Arora for that. Srinivasan sir, our mentor, our guide, we would really like to thank you for encouraging us always to do better. Thank you, sir. I would also like to thank our National Creative Director, Mr. Anirudh Sarkar, who is here, and his team, Subir, Anupam, who is there, Rahul, Sushi, who have supported us for their contribution for this in designing communication strategy, brochure, and all the content for IMCM. They've really worked hard for that. And today I would like to take this opportunity to appreciate the contribution of Dr. Gunjit, who is not here today, but she has really helped us in the initial stage because we were not from the academic industry. She helped us in designing academic curriculum, and she helped us in identifying the faculty for the first batch and setting up the institute at the initial stage. After this, we would like to thank industry, though they are not there, IMA members, they are not there present there today, but they gave us confidence that the need is there, you can start the institute, we will be taking these professionals. So that confidence was there, so we could take this step. I would like to thank our faculty. We are really proud of them for sharing their knowledge and experiences with our students and guiding them throughout these 15 months. I would like to thank our parents, Papa and Mummy, for their blessings, continuous support in making our dream come true. Whatever we are today, it is because of them. Thank you, Mama and Papa, for always being there for us. I think you all will agree, no one else can be more happier than your parents on your success. So, my dear students and all present in this room, this is my personal advice to everyone present here. Always value their love, their blessings, their feelings for you, and their contribution in whatever you are doing. And I would like to thank our strength, our students. Special thanks to first batch of IMCM for believing in us. It is not an easy decision to join an institute when it is first batch. So thank you all for believing in us and having faith in us. This day would have been meaningless without the presence of our successful learners. They have really worked hard and they richly deserve the certificate they have received. On behalf of IMCM, I congratulate each one of them and wish them success in all their future endeavors. A big round of applause for them.